this video brings you the most known and the unknown facts of an epic movie, Bahubali. This movie was mostly filmed to the places like Rock Garden in Kurnool, Ramoji Film City of Hyderabad, Bulgaria and many such locations. With the making of Bahubali, the beginning costed 120 crore, the making of Bahubali, the conclusion, costed 250 crores, which makes it the most expensive movie of Indian cinema. Bahubali, the beginning, has earned 586 crore in the box office, whereas Bahubali, the conclusion, has already earned 500 crore before its release. And this is by selling its copyright of Hindi version in 120 crore, in Telugu version of 130 crore, and its satellite copyright to Sony in 51 crore rupees. So talking about the actors and the characters of this movie, Prabhas and Rana Daggubati both consumed 4,000 calories every day to get the build required for the movie. Rana Daggubati gained 30 kgs for this movie, and he also went under a martial art training under the supervision of Vietnam trainer Tuan. Prabhas also gained 30 kgs for this movie, and it is also known that he imported 15 crore rupees worth of gymnasium to his house. He did not sign any movie for this period, that is for 4 years. And it is also said that he postponed his marriage because of this. Apart from movie industries, there are other fields also which got affected due to Bahubali. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister got so impressed by the set of Bahubali that he asked the renowned architectural firm Fosters and Partner to sit with the director Rajamouli and to design the capital Amravati in the similar lines. And in the field of literature, a book was launched, Rise of Shivagami, by both the hero this January 2017. Bahubali has bagged many records other than being the most expensive movie in Indian cinema. The set used in Bahubali are 45 feet tall, which is a record in itself. Over and above, 900 technicians were working on the set, design, art and visual effects of the movie. Total of 4,500 visual effect shots were taken, which were designed in 26 studios by 600 graphic artists, and this entire expenditure was of rupees 85 crore. This is the first Hindi movie which is dubbed in 10 different languages, including Hindi, Malayalam, English, French and Japanese. Coming to the story of Bahubali. In the first half, the audience will witness the love story of Bahubali and Devsena. And even the much awaited answer of why did Katappa kill Bahubali will be answered in this half. The second half is a war and revenge scenario, where a fight between Bhalal Dev and Shivadu is presented. As the first half is a prequel and not a sequel, a younger look of Katappa will be shown in this movie. There's a hype about the climax of the movie. Rupees 30 crore has been expended for this 20 minutes of climax. So these were some amazing facts which astonished me, and so I thought of sharing with you guys. Yes, Bahubali, the beginning, bagged 586 crore. What do you think? How much will Bahubali, the conclusion, will bag? My answer can be seen in the description box below, and your answers I want in the comments. Thank you guys for watching our video. Do like, comment and share our video and subscribe to our channel.